Every week there is a new demo. First it was ChatGPT, then GitHub Copilot, then Devin. The headlines are always the same. The end of programming. Junior developers are obsolete. If you are a student or a developer right now, you are scared. And you should be, but not for the reasons you think. Is AI replacing developers? Here is the brutal truth. First, we need to separate coding from engineering. Coding is translating logic into syntax. It is typing if statements and for loops. Engineering is solving problems. It is understanding requirements, designing systems, and managing complexity. AI is incredibly good at coding. It is faster than you. It knows every library. It doesn't make syntax errors. If your job is just taking a ticket, writing a function, and pushing it, yes, you are being replaced. The era of the code monkey is over. The people who are in the most danger are the juniors. In the past, we hired juniors to do the grunt work so they could learn. Now, an AI can do the grunt work in seconds for fractions of a penny. This creates a terrifying gap. How do you become a senior if there is no entry-level work to practice on? This is the biggest crisis facing the industry right now. The ladder has been pulled up. But for senior engineers, the story is different. AI hasn't replaced them. It has given them superpowers. A senior engineer with Copilot isn't 10% faster. They are 100% faster. They can scaffold entire microservices in minutes. They can write tests instantly. We aren't seeing fewer developers. We are seeing developers doing more with less. Here is the economic reality. When the cost of something drops, demand goes up. The cost of generating code has dropped to near zero. Does that mean we need less software? No, it means we will build more software. We'll build software for things that were previously too expensive to automate. The demand for software is infinite. The bottleneck is no longer typing the code. The bottleneck is defining what to build. So, is AI replacing developers? It is replacing typists. It is replacing people who refuse to adapt. If you want to survive 2026, stop defining yourself by a language. Don't be a React developer. Be a product engineer. Learn architecture. Learn system design. Learn to prompt the AI to do the heavy lifting for you. The code doesn't matter anymore. The solution does. Stay safe out there. Ciao.